Discover how Lodge Cast Iron reimagined its end-of-line operation and set a new standard for efficiency and innovation. In today's fast-paced global market, success demands more than tradition, it demands transformation. Recognizing this, Lodge Cast Iron took a bold leap toward the future of manufacturing, implementing a tailor-made ergonomic manual case packing system and fully automatic robotic palletizing solution that elevated productivity, safety, ergonomics, and product quality to new heights. Founded in 1896 in the heart of Tennessee, Lodge Cast Iron has spent more than a century crafting cookware that defines durability and excellence. Today, Lodge Cast Iron stands as a global icon, a brand that continues to blend American heritage with forward-thinking innovation to serve kitchens around the world.
Issues prior to automation is our packing lines are very labor-intensive, easily get backed up with the amount of product coming down the line. So we were looking for a solution that made the job easier, less stress on the employee, and work more efficient and reduce the workload for the employees themselves.
Compared to the way we ran our packing lines when I first hired in, it has been a tremendous help. We've had less back strains, and just the overall process. It's just, my people are not as wore out at the end of the day.
So when looking at a solution, a vended line solution, we were looking for something that for the employee to touch the product as minimal times as possible to improve their work. So that had to be with some type of automation palletizing along with automated packaging. So to do that, we had to find someone to work with that's going to provide a full end-of-line solution for us to help us achieve that of what our goal was. So we found Torfresma Pack Expo in 2023, and from the first meeting that we met the Torfresma team, we knew that they were going to be a great team to work with, not knowing if at that time they could provide the solution, but the more times we met with them, the more comfortable we got, and the more we knew that, hey, this is somebody we want to partner with, and we want them to help us develop this solution for us. So Torfresma was just a great team to work with, to partner with, and it proves out on the floor today.
Behind every great transformation stands a trusted partner. With over 30 years of experience and a global presence, Torfresma is a leading company in the field end-of-line automation, from palletizing and case packing to completely tailor-made and integrated material handling solutions. Our distinction lies in mastering the most demanding environments where reliability and performance are non-negotiable. Drawing on decades of engineering expertise, Torfresma develops solutions that are built not just to perform, but to endure, delivering excellence where others can't.
So the end-of-line solution Torfresma provided is less stress on the employee. We can operate our lines with less people, and it's been a great solution for our employees as far as the workload that's going to them.
I see less people complaining with their shoulders and their lower back problems, because once we put that in that box and the robot takes it away, we don't have to struggle with the tape machines. We don't have to struggle with lifting those heavy boxes onto the pallet. So we're holding that weight less time, just a drop in the box.
Yeah, we feel comfortable with Torfresma that we're already looking into phase 2 of our end-of-line automation and working with the Torfresma team to help provide that solution for us going into phase 2.
Torfresma extends its sincere thanks to Lodge Cast Iron for the trust and partnership in bringing this vision to life. We are proud to have contributed to strengthening the legacy of American manufacturing and look forward to shaping the next chapter together. Ready to transform your production line with intelligent automation? Partner with Torfresma. Visit torfresma.com and explore what's possible. Torfresma, machinery and equipment for industries that cannot stop.